In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best freestanding punching bag for beginners that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Century Original Wavemaster Punching Bag. I have used several freestanding punching bags over the years, but no one has come close to this one. This punching bag made by Century has everything that you look for in a freestanding bag. It's very sturdy, it feels and is very dependable and will probably last you a long time. And it's not even that expensive when compared to other similar bags on the market. Most people like that it's very sturdy when you hit it. This bag is really stable. This makes it a great choice for people looking to practice long powerful combinations, and this particular bag is perhaps the best one at it. If filled with sand, this bag will not move at all. Number 2. Dripex Freestanding Punching Bag. This is definitely one of my favorite bags on the market today. Dripex is a company that has been making quality gear for some time now, and I personally have used many of their stuff in the gym that I go to. But overall, this is the best piece of equipment that they have made. And this is because of the fact that the bag itself is so well made. The PU leather is very supple and high quality, and this bag is perfect for any taller, longer fighter that wants to practice his straight punchers. Overall, you are looking at one of the best freestanding bags on the market today, and you definitely should have this at the top of your buying list. Number 3. Everlast Power Core Bag. One of the most popular freestanding bags out there, there's a high chance that your boxing gym has one of these. And good thing they do, because this Everlast bag is one of the best products in the entry-level range. I found this bag to be much better made than what the price suggests. And as long as you are fine with a hollower bag with less padding, this is definitely a winner. The reason you buy this is that you want something well built that won't break the bank, and when it comes to that, this bag is definitely not going to let you down. Everything from this bag is well made, from the plastic base to the bag itself. The bag's cover didn't have any signs of crappy manufacturing. Number 4. Title Boxing Hydroflex Freestanding Bag. If you love to practice close fighting on the bag, want something that will last the apocalypse and you aren't afraid to spend freely, this freestanding bag from Title Boxing deserves a serious look. It's made for that purpose in mind, but when filled with sand, this bag strangely doesn't provide as much stability as I was expecting. Let's talk about my favorite thing about this bag. You can actually get close and practice in fighting. As you probably noticed from the other bags on this list, the bases of them are quite bulky and big, which is great for securing it in place, but it also means that you are going to have a hard time simulating a clinch or simulating inside work. This bag doesn't have that problem. Number 5. Century BOB Body Opponent Training Bag. Are you looking for a lifelike target? Do you box for self-defense? If you said yes to those questions, then you really should take a look at this punching bag. While technically this is a punching bag in the traditional sense of the word, this is something more used by martial artists and people looking to hone their self-defense skills. The main benefit of owning a freestanding bag like this one is the fact that working combinations are going to be so great on this bag. Hitting this is even better than working the mitts because you know exactly which areas to attack, and many boxers report improved levels of punching precision after using this bag for a few weeks.